Hey guys and gals, my name is Jason and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you how easy it is to set up a Binance account. All you need to do is go to your browser, type in Binance.com, it comes up, then you just want to go over here to where it says register. And all you're going to do is just fill this stuff out right here. Real easy. Agree to their terms and then hit register. Once you do that, you'll have your account set up. And then you'll just have to log in with your same password, email, and just make sure you're going to www.binance.com and make sure nothing's fishy up here. You know, sometimes they put a little symbol in there or something to try and get you to go to a fake site where they're just going to scam you. So we don't want that to happen. Then once you do this, you're just going to slide that puzzle piece right over it. Alright, I have Google authentication set up just for safety and security, and we'll just enter that code in. You can get the app from the Play Store and just download it on your phone and it will tell you what to do. And that's it. Then you're in there and you can start doing whatever you want to do in there, whether it be moving coins from Coinbase to here or vice versa from Binance to Coinbase or any other exchange. You could do that all right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below and we'll try to answer those. And anything else, just visit the site knowwhentohodl.com. Thank you guys.